Hi. This is an image I got off of Art Aliens website. It's a Gigapan, but I had to take a screenshot of it. Which he did. If you watch his video, he shows some fascinating things. But I just wanted to show you a few things that I see. For instance, let's go to which one? Let's see. Okay, here it is here. Okay. Oh no, that's not it. Here it is. Okay. Now, I can undo that. Okay, this is the original. Okay. Now, if you do this, then your little boost of contrast, it brings out a lot of detail. Alrighty. So, anyway, let's go zoom in here. I don't know what all this is, but look at this. These are not rocks. Yeah. And I don't know why, but they seem to build. Okay, you know Paragoria or whatever they call it, where you see things? I want you to look at this picture. Look at this picture and see how many faces do you see in here? I swear to God, they build the buildings to look like people. But on the other hand, I've taken a picture from Google Earth and zoomed on down into my house, and if you zoom in close enough, you start seeing faces in the trees and everything else. So I don't know, but it sure does look that way. Well, anyway, the buildings they have. Now, come on. I don't know about you, but I see what looks like a kid right there. And a face, and a face, and a face, and a face, and a face. Look at this one. I'm going any closer. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what happens if I sharpen it? Huh. I don't like that. You can see it better before. A little blur, don't hurt nobody. You can still see it. Okay. They are individual structures of some sort. Right. Almost looks like a crowd of people, but I know that can't be. And why do they smush this up so much? What's up with that? Here. That is a building. Okay. No two ways about it. It's not collapsed, and it's not melted, and it's not any of those things. I mean, come on, everybody talks about this being 2 million years old, right? Something happened a couple million years ago. Well, a couple million years is a long time for the survivors to recover and adapt. Excuse me. But yeah, man. I mean, come on, Paragoria or whatever they call it. Does it? What the hell? I mean, it's obviously some sort of roof. Why does it look like a baby with sunglasses? You can even see the side of the sunglasses. Look into the picture. Don't look at it. If you just look at it, you'll just see a glob of white splotches. Yeah. Like I say, I think what they do is so alien to us that we would never even imagine doing it. And government, of course, they won't tell you the truth. Look at that. Right there. Sorry if it's not too loud, but wife's in bed. I don't want to talk too loud. Look at this. Look at it. Come on. Am I just seeing, is my mind just making this stuff up? Or am I actually seeing what I'm seeing? I mean, really? Stop it along the way and just look at it. It's really some alien looking shit. That is, well, it's the guys that take the time to do this and show how they're hiding shit from us. I don't know why. I would think it would be great. Wow, we are alone. That's awesome. Let's start trading with them. They evidently have means of coming from Mars to the Earth. Because I'm pretty sure that's where every flying saucer story is originated from. Like, hey Mary, let's take a ride to Earth this weekend. This, I swear they put this on top of stuff, because you look in between here and you look, what's that? Hmm? Well, this free screen recorder gives me 15 minutes to make a video. But I just wanted to show you. I'm going to try something. Well, I think it was better up here. Yeah, look at. And I'm telling you, once you see it, you can't stop seeing it. There's people. Look at. This doesn't look like a crowd of people, which I'm pretty aware is impossible. But what if they build these giant statues? Look at the size difference between this face and this whole body. And it's all over this picture. I can go up, get way up in here, and same shit. Get N, S. Buildings around the cement pond. S. It's advertising, but why would they have giant S's? Look at this. Oh man, I think the time is up. No, I guess it wasn't over yet. I still got 3 minutes. Check this out. How do they do it? Wonder if they NSA? I wouldn't doubt it. All right, I gotta start wrapping this up. Tell you, this is awesome. Look at this. Oh, this. That's all natural? I don't think so. Whatever in the hell it is. I don't know. Okay. And we'll do this. Back to the way it was. All right. Anyway. All right. This is the picture. Okay. This is the address for them. All that happy. Oh shit. All right. I'll see ya. I'm gonna post this now.